This is job number SW1017A-B. These are two 30-inch diameter ram up-acting slab-side presses and one power unit running both presses. The presses are guarded front and rear by vertical and horizontal light curtains and some hard bolted-on metal guarding between those. The presses are designed with a high volume, low pressure close, and then a high pressure holding pump. Each press has its own pumps. One of the things designed into the press is once the press is going up at any point, if its cycle is interrupted, whether it's breaking a light curtain or hitting an E-stop or a power failure, the hydraulic oil is locked in the ram. Whether it's at tonnage or just halfway up, it's locked so that the press will not release until you have power to shift a valve and actually pilot open a pilot-operated check valve. I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate press A here, the first press. I'm going to run it up, show that the light curtains are in the circuit, and then I'll go ahead and let it clamp, show it go through a clamp cycle, decompression, and return to the bottom. I demonstrated the light curtains shutting off, stopping the press in the front and the rear. Press is closing now in low pressure. Once it gets to the top of its stroke, clamps up on the test blocks, it'll go up to tonnage. The high volume pump at that point drops out and it just holds with the high pressure pump. Okay, we're clamped up, we're at tonnage. Got a short cure time on it right now, 35 seconds. It will then decompress, open back to the bottom, ready for its next cycle. Press completed the cycle, decompressed. Now it gets a pilot signal to open the checks. Press returns to the bottom position. That completes SW1017 Press A.